Hello and welcome to the video on how to install our solution HR for Dynamics. The last time we created a system and now it's time to install our solution. For this, you go to the portal. You have been invited, or two users in your company have been invited to the portal. It looks like this when you first started. Then you click on Downloads. And here, next to the import installation guide, etc., you find the download solution installer, including base data. Just click on there, download it, and after it's finished, open it. This may take a few seconds. Then something like this will appear. Choose whatever place you want for the destination, install it. And now the package deployer within a few seconds will pop up, and there you can run through the installation. Here we click on continue. There it's probably empty for you, so you start at the top. We want Office 365, not on-prem. We want display list of available organization. If you have more than one environment, just keep this to be sure. Then show advanced. Your online region, either you know it or you can just put don't know. It's basically the same speed. You put in the username and the password. We highly recommend to use a generic admin user. So if that person leaves the company or does some other job inside the company, you can still use that user. Otherwise, it's more work for you to have another user later install another update. So for this, then click on Login. Here you check the right environment you want to use. That's the one I created. Later, you can also check if the unique ID of that system is the correct one if you're not sure via the name. Then click on Login. Now you're asked, do you want to install the German Labor Office functionalities or don't you? Most customers outside of Germany probably don't want to, but if you want, you would take the lower one. If you do not want to do this, you take the upper one. So click on that, click on next. Now it tells you what you're installing. Here you can check the organization if you're unsure, if the organization ID is the unique name of your environment. Then click on next. Now it runs through the small validation process. Click on next, and now it loads the solution. This will take a few hours, kind of depends on the size of your system and your data. So I will stop the video here and come back later after it has successfully installed to show you how it looks in the next step. Thank you. Till then.